Hey, here's the money again. Rolls-Royce. Master, what's wrong with this car? You didn't see the first two air shock absorbers. Is there an air leak? It really only fits one finger. Fourth Son Store is asking for $35,000. Our number 8 technician. Take him down for more than $1,000. Such maintenance. Save Big Brother $35,000 in one afternoon. If so, how would you choose? Leave a message in the comment area to discuss.